Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this. This is the Dremel EZ integrated wrench nose cap. And this is a cool invention by Dremel. And they built the wrench tool right into the nose cap so you always have it with your Dremel tool. And this does come with a lot of the newer Dremel tools when you buy them. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And if you have an older Dremel tool that doesn't have this nose cap, you can purchase these separately. Just verify on the Dremel website that the Dremel EZ integrated nose cap is compatible with your Dremel tool. Before you ever use your Dremel tool, make sure that you've read through the operating and safety instructions for your Dremel tool and understand them completely. That will tell you everything that you need to know on how to use your Dremel tool both safely and properly. These are the operating and safety instructions for the Dremel 8220, which I will be demonstrating with the Dremel EZ integrated nose cap. I'll be showing you on my Dremel 8220. And also, whenever you're working with Dremel tools, make sure that you're always wearing the proper safety equipment. For this demonstration, I have on a pair of nitrile gloves and safety goggles, and make sure that you take all safety precautions. Okay, so here's my Dremel 8220, and before you ever try to install or remove an accessory or an attachment from the Dremel tool, you need to make sure that it's both off and unplugged. And if it's a cordless model like this one here, make sure that it's off and take out the battery if the battery is removable. Not all Dremel cordless rotary tools have a removable battery, but if it does, make sure that you take it out. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the Dremel tool is off, which it is, and then we're going to take the battery out here. There we go, and we'll just set that off to the side. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the Dremel EZ integrated nose cap just right over the collet nut and then just twist it down into place. So this is what it looks like when it's all the way installed. And it can only fit over the collet nut one way. If we twist this off here and take a closer look at the inside, you can see that, how it's rounded on the top and bottom and then straight on the sides. And that's so it can grip onto the collet nut when you're loosening and tightening. Okay, so now we are going to, if we twist off the Dremel EZ integrated nose cap, just so it's off of the threads here of the Dremel tool, but still on the Dremel tool because we're going to need to grip onto the collet nut here. So then if we hold down the blue button, this is the lock button that allows you to loosen and tighten the collet nut. And then we're going to fit the EZ nose cap just over the collet nut, and then we can start to use that as the wrench tool. And you can see that it's twisting the collet nut there. And then I'm just going to twist the nose cap back on here, because once you get it started, you can use your fingers if you want to, just to loosen that up. Okay, so I'm going to use the sanding drum mandrel here with the sanding band on there just to demonstrate how this works. But I'm going to fit it, once we've loosened up the collet enough to be able to fit the accessory that we want to use in there, we're going to put the accessory into the collet and then hold down the lock button, and then we're just going to tighten this up as much as we can by hand. And then once we have this as tight as we can get it by hand, I'm going to twist off the EZ nose cap, fit it around the collet nut like so, and then hold down the lock button, and then we can twist this to get the collet nut all the way tight like so. And then we can twist back on the EZ nose cap until it's secured in place like so. And then from here, we would just reinstall our battery like so. And then the Dremel tool would be ready to use. And this is a great invention that they came up with, in my opinion. And it replaces the wrench tool here. I mean, it's still nice to have this wrench tool for when you might need it. But this is always on the Dremel tool, so it just makes it that much easier to be able to install and remove accessories. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope it's been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.